There's the Buma running. Just temporarily wired the motor up. I haven't got the switch on there. The old belt on its last legs. Runs quite nice and smooth. The drive's engaged there. The worm is going round. This little latch isn't on, so the worm is going round, so it isn't going down. If it goes down at all, it catches on the bench. The motor, if you undo this knob, the motor comes off. So that if you want to, so you can set it on the block without having to lift the weight of the motor, then you can put the motor on afterwards. So it runs nice and smooth. It's a very old machine. There's like a worm drive gearbox there. And a series of gears and things in the top. And the feed mechanism, it's all running. There's a crank there on the side to lift the central column up. There is a guard for the belt, I haven't put that on yet. The motor doesn't seem to want to start particularly well. I need to probably have a look at that, but I'll sort of show you. Hang on. I'll just go on the switch here, so I'll just turn it off. Right, I'll switch it on. That's on, and then you have to sort of give it a spin to get it going. But it runs really nice, I'm very pleased. I put new bearings in it. Actually, I think it is very slowly working its way down because that's a bit closer to the table now than it was. So I might have to turn it off in a sec. I'll just show you a couple of quick things. I've just turned it off. If you turn this dial on the top like that, these centering things come out, and then if you wind it back they go in again. And what I've done, that's where the tool holder goes, and I've made this packing piece here. And I've modified this little, it's actually a left-hand lathe tool, and I've machined it down here. And then I've actually built it up on that side because it was too small that side and it's too big that side, so I've thinned it down that side, built it up that side. I don't think it'll go in because, oh it will, yeah. And that goes in there, and then you lock it in with a thing there. Because I hadn't got the original tool, so that ought to be a good way of doing it. I've never tried it, don't know how to use it or anything, but I'm going to give it a go. So, I'm going to try and learn how to use it. Anyway, that's all from me. Click the like button if you enjoy what you've seen. Thanks very much for visiting. Bye.